Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening the plan or elevation where you need the grid. Use Visibility/Graphics, VV, immediately. Toggle the grid's category on so Revit will show grid elements. Make sure the view scale is appropriate. Very coarse scales hide finer grids, and set discipline to architectural or structural to match your grid family. Once done, check that the correct workset is visible and not closed. These steps ensure Revit has the right context to draw and display grid lines for the next actions. Next, create your grid lines with the grid tool from Annotate or the GD shortcut. Draw straight or curved grids, snapping to reference planes, levels, or existing elements to maintain alignment. After placing, select a grid to reveal grips. Drag extents to span the building or use properties to set bubble placement and type marks. If you need numbered or lettered grids, adjust the name parameter. For repeated grids, use arrays or copy with alignment. These adjustments make grids accurate and readable across views. Finally, coordinate grid visibility across all relevant views and linked models so your grid system is consistent. Check that grids live on the correct workset and that view filters are not hiding them. Use Reveal Hidden Elements to catch clipped or hidden grids. If grids in linked models are missing, adjust Visibility/Graphics for links and show Host View or Copy Monitor. If things still go wrong, reload the link and synchronize. Inconsistent grid names often come from mismatched levels or disabled worksets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.